Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Let me put you there. Oh, it's in them shade. How do they do that? How do they do that? Right. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Right, I've got a little hat on. I haven't got James yet. No, I've got my little package here. Little package. You can open that on camera. Let's go and get him. Oh! Open your present. Come on, present. I'm Santa today, mate. What is it? What else is in there? Woohoo! Woohoo! What's he got? He got a new mask. New mask. And look, the gloves. He's been jealous about mine. Look at them. Beautiful. Let's go. We're back. Where's my coffee? Oh, come get it, mate, please. We just had a lovely coffee in a pan au chocolat. Right, first thing we're going to do, can you bring that bit of data cable as well, please? So this is where we're bringing all our power. This side, obviously, to go into the board here. Client's going to have a hub under this in the Milwaukee store. When this all comes out, he's going to have a hub in here to do everything, for security, blah, 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 whatever. So this side, we're going to have to drill an hole up here somewhere to bring some Cat 6 cables, because today we've got to wire in. Hello! Just making sure the ghosts are up. That we put this all back temporary. So that would be this side of the corridor. We'll get that board up there. We'll drill a hole down. We'll drill a few holes through here, and then we're going to have to wire in a Cat 6 over to that side of the bed there. Look, just for that RJ45 for the Sonos speaker. Okay, every room will be getting data, but we'll just do that one today, and then we're going to crack on with that kitchen. So we'll do this first, and we'll come back to you. Well, I'll stick you a little, I know you like the little shorts, I'll stick you one on the screen now as I'm talking. We just did this data point, little RJ45, fished it through our fish hole, filled the holes through the floor, comes along the corridor here, runs along here. We drilled a set of holes, look. Try and keep it as separate as we can from the power. Look, so we've got some holes there for data if we need to add any more in. What we're going to do now is get this along here and down its own route into that cupboard down there. And then the next job for today, we couldn't do it Friday because we was in a bit of a rush, is get this cable into a socket here, but there's a massive solid bit of wood here, so I'll probably have to cut a little hatch up somehow down here to fish the cable up. Demonetised, James. Bad boy. Oh, sweet. Yeah, that's better than the way the power's gone down, actually. That's that cupboard. Just a few bricks randomly placed around. An old Crabtree label. Look at that. And we found that. Look. That's quite old. Surface flush. Switchy thing. So, we're going to drill an hole straight down there for the data cables to go down. Probably only going to be a couple more or three more up here, so it shouldn't be, I shouldn't need to do such a big hole, probably 25mm hole. We haven't had to do any drilling. Let's see that daylight now through there. Look. That might be quite a nice route up into the loft, James. Think about it, if we got a wire power up. Goes all the way up there. Yeah, look, there's a big hole there, look. there was like a sheet shoved up there. We pulled that out. Obviously the previous owner didn't want all the stuff falling into the cupboard. But that comes up into the loft staircase. Behind here, look. Behind that panelling, we're just down there. So that will give us a route up into this loft if we got to put power and lighting up there at some point, which we will do. But not yet. So now we can get our data cable across down there and down into the, we'll call it the plant room, it's under the stairs. Runs along there. These beams are bloody solid, I tell you. For an old beam, they're like solid oak, they are. Okay, put a little clip in there, keep him off the power, runs along there, goes down that hole there. And as I said, we probably have 2 or 3 more to go down that one anyway. Is the water froze?
Yeah.
You're joking?
I'll turn the thing and turn the tap and nothing happens. So.
Okay, we'll get a bottle of water. We'll get a bottle of water from the shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the outside tap frozen? Is it?
I'll turn the thing.
Okay.
Tap, nothing.
All right. Look, we got the cable out here now. We had to do a little fishy with a wishy. What do we use, James? The magnet in the chain, didn't we? Again. Got under there. I'm going to just chase this in now. Right, that's it. We are officially done upstairs now. This is all the client wants for now. We're going to put all this back, clear it up. All we got to do is a little bit of work along that corridor to do with that kitchen. So we'll get on with that now. Here he is. Santa's come. Right, look, we're in this kitchen area now. The client is going to vault this ceiling, but if you look up here, it already is vaulted. That's the original ceiling. There's the drop-down beam. So I guess he's just taking it up as high as that, or all the way. I'm not sure, but there's no other loft above that. There's a sexy light. So what we're going to have to do is bring some cables up, clip them around high level. What I'll probably do is, you probably can't see, but it's all the lathes falling off anyway, so I can probably clip it along there with some bandy strap. We've got to take a couple of feeds up, switch lines, one to here for this under cabinet lighting, one over here for some wall unit, under cabinet lighting and under pelmet lighting, drop a ring feed down here and a ring feed down here, 2 sockets, a socket and an under counter water heater, not many amps on that, and then we got to put a lighting feed and a power feed through the wall into this. This has got a really old, what would you call it, a flat roof, and then we got to feed this Aga. I don't know what feed it needs, but we could probably take that under the sink, potentially put a water bond in, but I don't know where the water is at the minute. I think it must come through here somewhere, but I'm not sure. So yeah, we're just going to drill some holes up now, the big drill. Where did I put that? I don't know. Drill some holes up, drop some cables in, and then we'll have to come back another day chasing it, but we'll just do our best really. But it happens to the best of us. We've run out of 2.5. I've got a load in my container. I'm going to go and get a couple of drums in a minute, but what we're going to do first, because I think the client's coming back tonight or tomorrow, we're going to get these power circuits on with a lighting circuit in the bedroom, which you've seen we can get that on. The only one we can't get on is the kitchen, so we'll get the bedrooms on, the hallway, the lights, what else can we get on? And the other bedroom, we'll get all those on apart from the kitchen. Socks you got on? Oh, rubbish. Right, look, I should have left the cover off for you to have a look. Did I get a photo? No, I didn't get a photo. I'm not taking it off again. Look, I've just, for now, I've just spaced these out. We got sockets below, master bedroom, 2, 3, 4, and hallway, and then we've got a spare there that's not connected yet. So James is going to do me one of his super duper labels, and then I've put all the lighting breakers in here. We've only got one on at the minute. Look, in the master bedroom, which I'll show you now quick. So we've got power on into every room. We've got the hallway done. Look, I've got the temporary lighting there, and then we've got the bedroom. We've got the bedroom livened up. This bedroom here, all the sockets are livened up, plus the light, the pendant light, which will just be a temporary light until the spotlights and stuff get done. So we're getting there now. Good job. Good job. Good job. Right, we cleaned out now. Look, we're not here now. That's probably it now for Christmas. Just left the cupboard, left our little kettle and heater, left the board out. I've put some temporary labels on because it probably will change, to be fair. left the kitchen and lighting cooled up there. Yeah. What more can I say? I'm just doing a bit of a clean up.